The case name and identification of the parties: Diedemann, the plaintiff, and Time, the defendant. Cause of action: in Diedemann vs. Time, press freedom does not provide reporters unique permission to invade people's privacy, according to the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. Facts: Healthcare practitioners Diedemann treated patients with herbs and mineral in his own home even though he had no formal medical training. Journalists for Time, posing as patients, took images of Diedemann without his permission while he was examining other journalists. A covert tape recorder was used by the reporters to capture their talk. Diedemann sued for breach of privacy when the article was published about him. Diedemann won at the district court and Time appealed. Proceedings below. None. The Supreme Court exercised original jurisdiction in this case. The issues. Under California law, is a case of action for an invasion of privacy established upon proof that the defendant's employees, by subterfuge, gained entrance to the office portion of the plaintiff's home, wherein they photographed him and electronically recorded and transmitted it to third persons in his conversations without his consent, as a result of which he suffered emotional distress. Does the First Amendment insulate the defendant from liability for invasion of privacy because the defendant's employees did those acts for the purpose of gathering materials for a magazine story and a story that thereafter published utilizing some of the materials thus gathered? 3. Were the defendant's employees acting as special agents of the police, and if so, did their acts violate the First, 4th, and 14th Amendment for the federal Constitution, thereby subjecting the defendants to liability under the Civil Rights Act? Holdings. In Diedemann vs. Time, press freedom does not provide reporters unique permission to invade people's privacy, according to the 9th Court of Appeal of the U.S. Circuit. Reasoning: invasion of privacy allegations is not shielded by the First Amendment's guarantee of free speech. An invasion of privacy action may be won by showing that the defendants covertly videotaped the plaintiffs, 2. without the plaintiff's permission, and 3. caused emotional distress. Rule of law: the district's court of decision is upheld. A regular person's home would be expected to be secured by undercover reporters. Crimes committed in this course of obtaining news are not covered by the First Amendment.